I really like true crime videos. I like watching, I started with the whole Jimmy Can't Swim videos, and I've moved on to a whole bunch of other true crime videos. It's kind of like my guilty pleasure. I enjoy the genre. So I was thinking, when I was trying to find an idea for a project, for a long time, I actually I couldn't think up of an idea for a long time. That's why I didn't upload for a while. But I was like, you know what? What if I could make a blood splatter analysis? I just finished an image processing course, so this seemed right up the alley of what I just studied. So I was like, you know what? Hey, let me try it, to be honest. And here it is, and I hope you enjoy. Looking at this blood splatter analysis, the first thing we can do is just drag and drop our image. And as you can see, we have the original image, the binary mask, and annotated image. We also detect the stains, the number of stains, the minimum angle, maximum angle, and other data. We can zoom in and see these binary masks in detail. And we can also look at the annotated, same thing. We can expand on it and see each individual annotated blood stain that was identified in the image. Now, for each stain, we do some details. We provide the center, the major and minor axes, the ellipse rotation, and the angle of impact. And here I implemented pagination because there's 109 stains. It's going to be really big, and this makes it far more visually appealing, and we can just it's a far more appealing visualization of the data. We can also see a histogram of the angle distribution of these stains. We can see this histogram is based on frequency. It's based on the frequency of these angles, and we bin them together, which is a really cool thing, to be honest. And now here we just do a naive point of convergence estimate. We do some rough calculations, and then we provide some more detailed observation and conclusions based on the specifics of that data. We try to find a specific origin or likely cause of the incident. So this is just a proof of concept of the project. And here I'm gonna dive into the code in a bit more detail. So this blood splatter analysis app is made and is designed to demonstrate the capabilities of using computer vision for analyzing blood splain patterns in forensic scenarios. This is just a demonstration app and a proof of concept. I personally really like watching true crime, and I thought this would be a cool idea. So this app was built with OpenCV for computer vision and Streamlit to actually make the UI in Python. It showcases an end-to-end workflow for detecting, visualizing, and interpreting blood stains, splatters, and patterns in uploaded images. While it does simplify a lot of real-world forensic processes, it does also offer compelling and interactive exploration of fundamental techniques, including image processing, contour analysis, angle calculation, point of conversion estimation, and so now let's dive into it in more detail. At the heart of application is the image processing pipeline, which isolates potential blood stains from the uploaded image. The input image is converted from its actual BGR color space to HSV, and this enables precise color segmentation. Blood stains, which typically are red and brownish hues, are segmented using dual threshold ranges to capture the red color that spans across the HSV spectrum. This segmentation produces a binary mask, where areas of interest are highlighted, while the irrelevant portions are disregarded and suppressed. To further enhance the mask, morphological operations are applied to eliminate noise and refine the detected region, ensuring a clean, binary image that accurately represents the potential bloodstains. So, after we do this pre-processing step, now we move on to the detection phase, where it identifies where the program identifies bloodstain contours within the binary mask. Contours serve as the primary building blocks for this analysis. We outline the shapes and boundaries of detected regions, and each contour is assessed to determine its size, discarding small areas that likely represent noise or insignificant features. For valid contours, ellipses are fitted to approximate the shape of the bloodstains. The fitted ellipses not only simplify further analysis, but also provide key geometric properties such as center coordinates, axes lengths, and orientation angles. A major feature of this app is the fact that we actually calculate the angle of impact for each detected bloodstain. By analyzing the ellipse's major and minor axes, this program estimates the angle at which a droplet struck the surface. This information in a real-world scenario is actually really crucial for forensic scientists, but here I'm just trying to recreate it in a small setting. This is crucial because it helps reconstruct trajectories to understand the dynamics of an incident. Angles are calculated using trigonometric methods, with the ratio of axes serving as the determinant of the angle. The results are converted into degrees for intuitive interpretation and to make it easier to see, and displayed alongside the ellipses in the final annotated image. One of the main elements of the application is its ability to estimate a 2D point of convergence. And that's an approximation of the origin point of the bloodstains. This step involves converting the orientation of each ellipse into a parametric line and calculating intersections between these pairs of lines. The intersections are averaged to produce a simple convergence point, which is then visualized on the annotated image. This feature, while naive in my implementation compared to 3D and real-world forensic tools, does still provide like a decent visualization of trajectories and how it might intersect in a 2D space. So moving on, visualization is central to the application, and here we represent results in a user-friendly manner. The original image, the binary mask, and annotated image are displayed side by side, allowing users to trace the entire analysis process visually, and detected ellipses are outlined in red, with respective angles labeled in blue text for clarity. If a convergence point is identified, it's marked in a distinctive blue circle, accompanied by a label indicating its significance. This annotated output serves both as a visual summary and an intuitive representation of the process we just took. We also do some reporting where we summarize the key findings of the analysis. For each detected stain, we provide details such as the center coordinates, ellipse dimensions, rotation angles, and angle of impact. A histogram impact angle offers an overview of the distribution, helping users identify patterns or anomalies in the data. And also we do scenario-based observation and conclusions that are dynamically generated based on key metrics such as number of stains, range of angles, and the location of the convergence point. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share it with people you know. Also, let me know if you'd like to see more of these true crime, forensic style projects. I really enjoyed making this one, and it was honestly one of my favorite projects that I've made so far. Just let me know what you'd like, and if not, I'm just probably going to make a new one. But again, like, comment, subscribe, and if you enjoyed it, let me know your comments, and let me know what you think about it.